Every 3 minutes, someone in the United States learns that he or she has some form of blood cancer, according to figures reported by the American Cancer Society. About half of the time, this diagnosis is lymphoma, a cancer in the lymph system, a network of vessels and nodes that's part of the immune system. Fortunately, treatment of lymphoma has improved dramatically, and Hodgkin lymphoma is now considered among the most curable cancers, especially if detected early. But in some advanced cases, Hodgkin lymphoma can become treatment-resistant, significantly lessening the odds of long-term survival. Tonight, we honor Timothy Bovey, Svetlana Doronina, Brian Mendelsohn, Peter Center, Clay Segal, and Brian Tokai. This team of scientists at Seattle Genetics developed brentuximab, vedotin, marketed as ADCETRIS, an innovative drug to combat Hodgkin lymphoma. ADCETRIS consists of an antibody and drug linked together, known as an antibody-drug conjugate, ADC. It is the first FDA-approved combination treatment for adults with frontline stage 3 or 4 classical Hodgkin lymphoma in more than 40 years. ADCETRIS is the first ADC that contains the highly potent synthetic drug monomethyl auristatin E, MMAE, attached to a CD30-directed antibody through a dipeptide linker. Through diligent research, the Seattle Genetics team developed the CD30-directed ADC. CD30 is a protein found on classical Hodgkin lymphoma cells and not commonly found on healthy cells. After binding with CD30 receptors, ADCETRIS is internalized into the cell and broken down, releasing the cell-killing agent, MMAE. As a result, the cell undergoes programmed cell death, or apoptosis, and dies. In a large clinical study, patients treated with ADCETRIS in combination with chemotherapy were 23% less likely to experience disease progression or death than those treated with chemotherapy alone. The drug received accelerated approval in 2011 and set the stage for a great deal of research currently underway with ADCs. There are now 4 approved ADCs and more than 55 in various clinical trials. The American Chemical Society honors these heroes of chemistry from Seattle Genetics for their outstanding contributions to science and their service to society.